about now, you mean the moment. Yes, it's not present simple, it's present continuous. Okay, I will remind you again, please listen carefully, because as I'm informed, you are probably going to have a test soon, so I think that you will have this in the test. So please try to remember as much as you can. We have a lot of stuff, it's really important. So when we speak about the present simple, we speak about habits. For example, I go to school every day. So this is action that happens constantly. This is a habit. That's why we use present simple. But I'm going to school now means I'm at the moment. So I am doing this action at this moment. So this is like the basic structure. Also, please pay attention that we can use present continuous when we speak about our future plans. This is about close future. Yes, close future. This part can be a little bit complex and difficult for you, but what you need to remember is, for example, if you are doing something, usually you have a habit. For example, every weekend you go, you go to the supermarket and you are planning to change something. For example, usually I wear a hat when I go outside, but this weekend I'm wearing, sunglasses, whatever. So if you change your habits and you say that you pay attention that you change your habits, you can use present continuous. I will show you the slide that shows it much better than I explained, and it will be much easier to understand it for you. So look, we use, yes, present simple. I already have this slide for you about twice, but this is the third and the final time that I show it to you. So let me explain. Present simple when we speak about facts or routines. So things that you do every day, usually, often, and so on and so forth. So if you see these words, it means we use present simple. You can identify this tense by these examples of the words. For example, do you wear a t-shirt? Yes, I do. I wear a sun hat too. For example, if we speak about usual habits, do you usually wear a t-shirt? I don't know why I have to say today. Don't pay attention. Alright, and present continuous is when we speak about things that are happening at the moment, as you already said, and when we speak about close future. About this close future moment, please pay attention. We also have some words that can help you identify it. For example, this month, this week, this weekend. Okay? And about now and moment, it's easy now, today, at the moment. So this is easy to remember. Now look, you all know the structure, but I need to remind you about the S part. When we speak about present simple and we speak about he or she, it is really important to put this S at the end. Please try not to forget it. You all know the difference. Don't, doesn't. This is easy. And with present continuous, I think you can understand everything. It's quite easy to remember. Yes. All right. Now, please look at the board. What I need you to do now, I am going to ask you, like, random order. Please try to tell me how do we change the words in phrases to make a correct sentence, okay? Also, you are not, like, your main goal now is not to make mistakes. So if you make mistake, it's okay. The main part is for you to understand why and how do we use these grammar tenses, okay? So if you don't understand, please tell me. I will explain as many times as you need, okay? Alright, now, Jerry, can you please start? Sentence number 1. What do you think?
I don't know this person, well, no, that person's name.
Yes, it's just a fact. We don't need to put something more complex, more difficult in a sentence because this is just a random fact. Alright, can you please do number 2?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Yes. Why? Present simple.
I think it's about your routine.
Yes, it's a habit. Like, what is your habit? What do you prefer? Also, when we speak about present continuous, okay, when we speak about verbs, we have the action verbs and feelings verbs. Okay, for example, know, feel. These are not about actions, they are about feelings. So when we speak about feelings, we cannot put these verbs in a continuous state. We cannot put the ing part to these verbs. So for example, I cannot say that I'm knowing that somebody said something. This is a mistake. I can only say it for a fact that I know. So in the future, I think we will have another grammar connected to this part, and it is sometimes really hard to remember everything. But at this point, just try to remember that if the verb is about a feeling, we don't use ing. That's it. That's all that you need to remember now. Alright, number 3, I need Susie, please. So how do we say it? We can say she doesn't like, but when we say hate, how do we use it? She. You were correct the first time. It was right. She hates. Yes. So why present simple here? Yes, it is. Also, this is another feeling verb, so we cannot use present continuous in this case. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Is it difficult? Yes? Oh, I don't like it. Alright. Sentence number 4. Sentence number 4. Selena, can you please try? Number 4, please. Look, today we are speaking about present simple or present continuous. We use past simple. So please choose which tense to use here. Present simple or present continuous. Why? And how would it sound with present continuous? How do you think? Yes. Yes, it's a fact. How does it sound here? Yes, he doesn't understand the question. Again, this is a feeling. No present continuous here. Number 5, wrong please.
Do you think he's funny?
Why present simple? It's a fact, yes, and it's a feeling. Yes, you're correct. Because you think it's a feeling, no action. So, no present continuous. Number 6 would be for yes.
Thank you. We don't need anything else.
Why present simple? Yes, and also need is a feeling. That you need something, you immediately feel.
Oh wow. We can late and rest it off, okay? Your basics.
Number 7 is for Linda. also a feeling, yes? Alright, this is. Do you understand a little bit better with examples? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm really okay, number 8 would be for
Sony.
no, Sony is not yet. Very good. Lina. Why present simple? Yes, fact. And remember is an action or a feeling. How do you feel? It's feeling. Yes. So we cannot say remembering. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Number 9. So can you try please? Number 9. Look, we are now reviewing topic present simple and present continuous. Do you remember anything about present simple and present continuous? So I will give you like really fast information. Present simple is I go to school every day, for example. Yes. And we use it when we speak about routine and facts. Present continuous, example, I am walking to school now. At the moment, today, and the close future. For example, I am wearing a dress for the party this month. So now your test is to open the braces in sentence number 9 and choose which tense would you use. Present simple or present continuous. So how would you say she? Okay, everyone, do you think it is correct? She is wanting some new shoes.
No.
Yes or no? No, why no?
Because
It's a feeling, yes. So, Sonia, pay attention please. When we have a verb, yes, you need to try to understand, is it an action, for example, walk, run, jump, swim, and so on. So you do something with your body, for example. Or it comes from inside your heart, for example, hate, love, and feel. Okay? Remember. So these verbs are not the action, they are feeling words. And when we use feeling words, we do not use ing at ending. Okay? And number 10 is for why present simple? Feeling and a fact, yes. Okay. Please. Oh no, test. Right? Yes. And now we have to do a little test.